Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got a special guest, as you could probably see it already. None other than that. Back to my channel. In today's video I've got a special guest, and you could probably see it now. It's my one and only daughter, Jewel.
Hi guys, how are you?
Yeah, in today's video we're actually doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
If you guys want to see us try and do our makeup in 5 minutes, then keep watching.
The timer.
Okay, so I'll just set up my timer on my phone.
Gosh, I'm for...
Is it 5 minutes?
No, you gotta stay here.
I'll do it again then.
Do it again here. Gosh. Do you think we can survive? What do you think?
I don't know. 5 minutes is a short time.
I'm a bit nervous.
Yeah.
This is probably like me rushing in for 5 minutes to get ready out of the door. Have you done a 5-minute makeup challenge, like you're getting ready?
When I'm getting ready for work, if I'm running late, like I'll do my makeup in 5 minutes. Yeah, it's a bit of a thrilling adventure. But okay, so I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes on my phone.
And also guys, we've already prepped our skin. So we've already prepped our skin, so we're actually set to go to do our makeup, guys. And I'll be putting the timer on the screen so you guys can see it, that we're actually doing it for 5 minutes. And good luck to us. Gosh, good luck to us.
You got my makeup ready. Yes.
So we've got everything all set up here, guys, that we needed for our 5-minute makeup challenge. Okay,
so setting the timer for 5 minutes. I'll leave it in front of us here. Okay.
This one's... Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Got the eyebrow pencil.
Doing my primer first.
Just filling in the hairs to make a more natural but defined look.
And then I'm gonna be using a CC cream. Just applying that. Gosh, this is like I'm making a lot of pressure here.
Oh my gosh, it's been 1 minute, I think.
Oh yeah.
Putting a little bit of concealer to conceal the redness on my face. And that.
So if you guys looking for a CC cream, I highly recommended the Physicians Formula. It's really good everyday base, and just putting concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna put this on my eyelid too, so I'm not gonna have time to put the use the eyelid primer.
Right, so we're down to 3 minutes now.
Oh,
3 minutes left.
Oh my gosh, already? Oh shit. Okay, I'm setting my under eyes now. Setting my makeup. Okay, this is the things going to take me.
Now I'm setting my makeup.
I should do my brows.
The Laura Mercier powder. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of bronzer on my face.
Oh my gosh, like taking me ages, this brows. Make sure your chair's not rocking.
So we've got 1 minute 48 seconds left.
Oh my god, seriously. Oh my gosh! Gosh.
Just gonna put a
what's
little
the
bit of
timer?
eyeliner. So we've got 1 minute 22 seconds.
Okay, bronzing now. Just doing it on my... What time is it now? It's like a beep.
Little bit. So we've got 40 seconds.
Oh my
left.
gosh!
Okay,
Oh
gotta
shit.
blend this eyeshadow out. Sorry, eyeliner out. Make a more natural look.
Highlight.
Okay, put a bit of blush stick. So I got 10 seconds left.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I gotta blend this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Tried my best to go for a natural look, but just didn't get time to really blend out the blush. But
Okay guys, I think 5 minutes it's a little bit
yeah, a bit too extreme.
a bit too extreme.
Not enough time to do everything.
Probably
What did you get done? So you got your foundation,
I got my base on and I got my
highlighter, bronzer.
bronzer and then my brows and a little bit of mascara at the last minute and I just put like my more like a lip balm.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get time to put my mascara on. Like, yeah. But
It's probably good guys if you're doing a 5-minute makeup. Probably, I don't know.
just like your brows and mascara, really.
Yeah, and that's
like
it.
no face makeup.
No
just
face.
your,
Yeah.
I reckon. But yeah.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
But yeah. But unfortunately I can't really go out like this guys because as you can see I need more time to do my brows.
At least half an hour to do my whole makeup. Like not 5 minutes.
Yeah, so what do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed today's video guys, and we definitely had so much fun filming it. You know, we were like under pressure doing our makeup to get everything all done. I mean with the eyes I still have to do my eyeliner just to line up on my upper waterline and more mascara, and I think that's pretty much. Oh, and then my setting spray. Haven't had a chance to do my setting spray.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to do my lips either. Yeah, setting spray, no highlights. Missed out on a few things, but it's fine.
Yeah, it's alright, you know. I mean, if you only got 5 minutes, really, what can you do? You know.
But I think we did pretty good. Like,
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Please comment down below. Please comment down below.
If you ever had to like rush doing your makeup so you understand the struggle of doing your makeup fast.
Below also if you would like to see Jewel again on my future videos. And please let me know what video you want to watch next. So much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
To hit the like button down below and let us know what you liked about the video.
And don't forget to share the video to your friends and family. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.
Bye.